Targeting Math, Workbook 4B, page 148. We see that there are different types of electronic device chosen by the pupils in Smart Primary School. This line shows the number of pupils. So let's look at the first one, desktop computer. We follow the dotted line down. We see that it is in the middle of 100 and 200. So what is this number? It is 150. Each unit is 50. It's an increase of 50. So it's 0, 50, 100, 150, 200. So it's always an increase of 50 for this particular bar graph. So let's fill in the graph. So this would be 150. Now let's look at tablet. Tablet is 300. Then we look at handphone. It's 650. We look at CD player. It's 50. We look at TV. It's 200. So the least number of pupils prefer to use. Which is the least? Is this the least? Which is the least? It's CD player. It only has 50 pupils. So that is the least. CD player. Twice as many pupils prefer to use which device as compared to desktop computers? So desktop computers is 150. Twice as many pupils prefer to use something else. So which is twice of desktop computer? We take 150 times 2, meaning it's 150 plus 150. That is 300. So which device has 300 pupils choosing it or preferring it? It's the tablet. So there is twice as many pupils who prefer tablet than the desktop computers. Now we find the difference between the number of pupils who prefer spending time on handphones than to watching TV. So handphones we found it's 650. So we write down 650. Then pupils who like to watch TV, it's 200. So we want to find the difference. Difference means a minus. So 650 minus 200 will be 450. So the difference is 450. There are how many more pupils who prefer using tablets than to CD players? So let's look at tablets. It's 300. How many pupils like CD player? It's 50. So we want to find there are how many more pupils. So we are finding the difference. So 300 minus 50 will be 250. So there are 250 more pupils who prefer tablets than CD players. The total number of pupils is all of this. We add all the numbers. 150 plus 300 plus 650 plus 50 plus 200. So to avoid any careless mistakes, we shall write our equation and our workings. So let's start with 150 plus 300. 150 plus 300 will be 450. Are we done yet? Nope. We still got 650. So 450 plus 650. Alright, now we have done with these three numbers. We move on to the next one, which is 50. So we plus 50. Then we are left with the last addition, plus 200. So we have found the final answer. The total number of pupils in this survey, it's 1,350 pupils.